Hey, I'm Amy Feller with Feller Roofing, the home of the roofer chick, and we're doing a project spotlight. Today we're going to McQueeney, where this customer had a house that's located near Lake Placid, and he had a 3-tab shingle on there. We went back with a GAF Timberline HDZ dimensional shingle, and the color he chose was barkwood, which is my personal favorite. There was a lot of different work on this project. We replaced quite a bit of rotted decking, and we also installed a new chimney cricket, and then we also put storm guard, which is ice and water shield that's made by GAF, around these brand new skylights that we installed. The project turned out absolutely gorgeous and completely changed the look of his house. We're really proud of how this one turned out. Thanks for joining us on this project spotlight. My name's Amy, Feller Roofing, home of the roofer chick.